Hello guys, I'm Shreya and I welcome you all to my channel Knowledge Info. My today's video will be quite different from my other videos because in today's video I'm gonna be discussing some very interesting and cool facts about food, human body, general knowledge, animals and lots more which you might have not known before. And at last, I'm gonna also be telling you about some very cool unknown facts which will blow up your mind. So without wasting any more time, let's move towards our video. At first, we will be discussing about some very cool interesting facts about food. Let's get started. Number 1 is pure honey has a very long shelf life. It won't spoil and can last up to 3000 years. Fact number 2 is the most stolen food in the world is cheese, and as per reports, 4% of the total cheese is stolen. Fact number 3 is Carolina Reaper is the hottest chili in the world. Fact number 4 is white chocolate isn't actually a chocolate. Instead, it's a byproduct formed by mixing cocoa butter, milk, sugar and vanilla flavorings. True chocolate comes from refining cocoa beans, which is not found in white chocolate. Fact number 5 is dynamite is made with peanuts. Dynamite is made with peanuts because peanuts contain an oil that is used in the process of making glycerol. Glycerol is one of the active ingredients in nitroglycerin, which is the main part of dynamite. Therefore, dynamite is made with peanuts. Now we will be discussing about some really cool facts about our human body. Let's begin. Our first fact is the color which we see when we close our eyes is called Eigengrau. It is a German name for intrinsic grey, which is different from black. Fact number 2 is only 2% of the human beings in this world have natural green eyes, making it the rarest eye color in the world. Fact number 3 is if a person wants to prevent a sneeze, then he just needs to press his or her tongue firmly against the back of the teeth. This process will help him to prevent the sneeze. Fact number 5 is that it is impossible for a human being to lick his own elbow. Fact number 4 is for a human being it takes 21 days to stick to or to get rid from a habit. It means that if you went 21 days without something, then you can go whole life without it and vice versa. Now we will be discussing about some general knowledge facts. Let's get started. Fact number 1 is that typewriter is the longest word that can be made using only the letters on the top row of the keyboard. Fact number 2 is Jio logo is the mirror reflection of the word oil. It shows Reliance journey from oil and petroleum industry to telecom and communication industry. Fact number 3 is when the moon is directly overhead, you will weigh slightly less. Yes, it is true. As per the calculation, it is said that a person will weigh 0.48 gram lighter for a 100 kg person. When the moon is directly overhead, they are going to weigh 0.5 grams lighter as the moon attracts you in the same way it attracts water when it makes tides. The sixth Sikh shakes sixth ships sick is said to be the toughest twister in the English language. Yes, this tongue twister is considered as the toughest one to say by the Guinness Book of Records, known as Sixth Sikh shakes sixth ship sick. Fact number 5 is fire has no shadows of itself because it itself is the source of light. Now we will be discussing about some cool and interesting facts about animals. Fact number 1 is you can tell the age of the blue whale by looking at the wax plug in its ear. It means much like tree rings, whale ear wax accumulates in layers, just as adding a layer about every 6 months. So by slicing up the wax, a scientist can estimate a whale's age. Fact number 2 is when a dog yawns, it usually doesn't mean he or she is sleepy. Dog yawns to calm themselves down when they are feeling anxious or stressed. Fact number 3 is, it is physically impossible for pigs to look up to the sky. This is basically due to the anatomy of their neck, which makes it very difficult to bend backwards, but they can still roll over on their backs and look up at the sky. Fact number 4 is, the giraffe has the highest blood pressure in the animal world because its heart must pump hard against gravity to reach its head because of its extraordinary height. Fact number 5 is, camels can survive up to 6 months without food or water due to the fatty tissues stored in their humps. So at last, I would like to discuss about some unknown facts which will amaze you and will blow up your mind. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Fact number 1 is, there is only one person in this world with syndrome X which prevents normal aging. Brooke Greenberg is 20 years old and appears to be 1 year old. Fact number 2 is, this picture is made by the Russian artist. This is a picture of a smiling girl which can be seen only when your half eyes are closed. If you don't believe me, pause the video and do try it out. I consider fact number 3 to be one of the coolest facts among all the facts I have discussed yet, which is as follows. A young girl wrote to Google to give her father a day off as it was his birthday. This is what Google sent back in reply. I have attested both the letters what young girl gave to Google and what Google sent back in reply. You can pause the video and read them out. Fact number 4 is, there is a book titled Everything Men Know About Women that has about 100 pages, all of which are blank. Last fact is fact number 5, which is, whenever you get the urge to smoke, lick a little salt with the tip of your tongue. This will relieve the temptation instantly and has been said to kick the habit within a month. If you won't believe me, try it out. So with this fact, we ends up with our video. Do let me know which fact amazed you the most and which fact you liked the most. If you have any suggestions regarding my video, do let me know in the comment box section. And if you liked my efforts which I tried to pour in this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon parallel to the subscribe button in order to get notified when I will upload my further videos. So it's the time to leave now. So until we meet again, stay home, stay safe, do take care of yourselves, do take care of your families, and there's a goodbye. Thanks for watching.